What's up, y'all? So it's day 11. Happy birthday to my bestie. She turned 26 today. We've been friends for 11 years, y'all. So today has been filled with nothing but cleaning. I cleaned my kitchen, I cleaned my bathroom, I cleaned my living room. One thing is left is to finish my room, Journey's room, and her bathroom. That's all we have to do. Well, all I have to do. But I got my stove cleared off. I'm about to make us some nachos, and after I finish like cooking or whatnot, I'm going to take a shower, get ready for tomorrow, and like basically like relax. Today has been a lot. So I'm filming today for day 11, but not for day 11, but today is gonna be, I'm filming just to tell you guys what happened in day 11, but this is actually day 12. I'm trying to start ahead, and basically I will talk to you guys tomorrow for day 12. But y'all, I'm slacking, and so that's just basically what it is. But I'm about to cook us some nachos and unwind because I done really had a tough day today. So I want to make us something to eat. And yeah, I'll just catch you guys later. Gems. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for day 12. Yeah. Today is just not. Huh? Come on, boy.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
What's up, y'all? So we out in the short pump and waiting for my best friend to get here so that we can go and eat at her birthday dinner. Journey is tired. She doesn't know how to take naps, so she is tired all the time. That's okay. So this is part of day 12. I worked today. This today made day 10 of working, and I'm not off until Wednesday. Ooh. So they just finally made it here. We just waiting for them to walk up so we can go in. And then my glasses keep fogging up because of this mask. So I'll talk to you guys at the table. Okay, so we're finally in the restaurant. Y'all don't mind these breakouts. I don't know why my face is breaking out like this, but now we're facts. So now we in here. They finally came, so I'm ready to eat, y'all. Vlogmas day 12. So today is day 12.
That's the last time you came here?
This is something that you can't just do every time.
Darn
This is one of those things.
Yeah, it's one of those things, but
Best. Yeah, the food coming.